Hi, my name is Dr. Troy Tarpley. I'm a faculty member here in the Department of Agricultural Education and Communication at the University of Florida. It's no secret that in today's digital learning landscape, that things like immersive 360 videos can greatly contribute to an effective program. These types of digital experiences are going to help you better connect with your audience, and 360 cameras are a great option. For extension professionals, 360 cameras offer a unique opportunity for you to bring the learner to the field, especially when physical visits aren't possible due to things like distance, cost, or time. I think the best way for you to learn how to work a 360 camera and how they can contribute to your programs is to get out in the field and try it out. So let's go. Welcome to the University of Florida's Living Laboratory. Here is a great example of an instance where you might want to take a 360 camera so that you can allow your audience to be immersed in a certain environment. So the nature trails here are a really great example of being able to take the 360 camera and immerse your audience in a certain location. So this would be a great example if you're trying to show your audience what an upland pine community might look like in Central Florida. And so if they're not from the area, they can't travel here because of physical distance or cost, this is an opportunity for them to get that totally immersive experience. So what we're going to do now is I'm going to take a tripod and I'm going to take our 360 camera and we're going to hike a little bit into the trails. So you'll get an experience of taking the camera, setting it up, and shooting a little bit of video so that people can get that fully immersive experience. So I'll see you out on the trail. All right, so I've scouted out a good location for this example. So I'm going to grab the tripod and the 360 camera and get it set up. The tripod doesn't necessarily need to be a very expensive one. As long as it's stable, that's really all we care about. And the 360 camera, depends on which one you get, but can run anywhere from between $150 to $300–400. So that's what I'm gonna do now. And in terms of height, we don't necessarily need to be too concerned about how high or how tall the tripod is. So make it comfortable for yourself. If you're a taller person, go ahead and make it about eye level for yourself. If you want to be sure that you're not getting yourself in the shot, because you will, hit the button to capture the 360. I've seen some people who will actually set the tripod up all the way as high as it can go, and they'll just hide out beneath it because the 360 camera can't get things that are necessarily below it, just a 360 around it. So just a couple of options for you. There is an app, and so you could even do like a time delay if you wanted. So you could move away and then hit record. So a couple of different options. This one is not a very expensive tripod. And so I have the 360 camera right here, and this can just be screwed onto this mounting plate. It's just a 1/4-inch screw. This is pretty common on most tripods. So if you're getting like a consumer grade one, it'll fit most of your equipment. So. All right, so now that I have that mounted, I'm ready to turn it on, and at that point I'll be moving over to the app. Most cameras, 360 cameras, are all going to be operated from the app on your phone, not from this device itself. So this one, I just have to turn it on by hitting the power button, and then I will hop on over to the app and we'll capture this. So what I'm going to do is do a screenshot of the app so you can kind of see me navigating through it to capture this 360 video. So at this point we have started the recording, and so you should be able to hear me. The audio is probably not great, so you might want to incorporate another way to get some audio. So this could be through your phone if you wanted. So since I'm controlling it with my phone here and trying to screen record at the same time, wasn't able to get the audio on the phone, but if you have somebody else, you can use their phone and get some good audio. But should be able to see kind of a 360 view. If you're viewing this on YouTube, you can take your cursor, click, and kind of scroll around and see everything that you might want to see. You can also do the same thing with just a still. So like I said, if you wanted to, instead of doing a video, we could just do a still image. And so you'd probably just squat down under the camera and then hit the take the picture button. So, folks, I hope this was beneficial and that you're taking away some things that you can use and incorporate into developing your digital field experiences. My information is there on the screen, so please feel free to reach out to me if you have any questions. I'm always more than happy to collaborate.